Oakley can't contain his excitement for the new project I'm about to show you guys. I have come up with a strategy to reuse the additional sprouts instead of pruning them and throwing them into the compost. I'm going to take the additional sprouts you see here on the left and right, and I'm basically going to transfer them into a Kratky hydroponic system. So these are the items you're going to need to make this work. You're going to need some sort of jar. I just got this mason jar. A cloning basket, I think they're called. A cloning collar to help fit in your sprouts. Obviously, you're going to need the sprouts themselves. And then from there, you're going to need some sort of hydroponic fuel. I like this one from Fox Farms, but any 326, 343, anything like that will work out perfectly. All right, so now let's do the fun part. So let me take a look at this. We got this right here. Let me come in here and we'll just grab the bottom. Nice. Look at that root system. Wow. If that doesn't do it for you, I don't know what will. Look at that thing. Let's see if that'll focus for us. I mean, that is a good root system to start. So I'm going to set that down here. We're going to do two just to kind of show you guys what it's all about. So let's see if we got another good one here, but don't be too quick. Woo! There's a little snapping there, but let's hope that stays pretty good. All right, off to the next thing. All right, here's a little pro move. So to get some of the dirt off, instead of trying to do it by hand, usually I just get a cup of water and just kind of shake it off and just look at it. Especially if you got that nice soil, it just comes off so easily. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it's all just falling off, and then you can come in here and just kind of stroke it off. We don't want any real dirt sitting inside our hydroponic system, because that can, at least I've heard, make your plants get sick. So I try to avoid that as much as possible. So we'll go in here. Look at that, nice and clean. Look at that long root. Once again, this one's a beauty. Let's come over here and do that same thing with this one. All right, here we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Ooh, that one came off nice and easy. Perfect. All right, let me set that down now. Awesome. All right, so now we got our Fox Farms here. We're gonna basically fill up this mason jar. As you can see, it's filled up with 12 ounces of water. And then I'm just gonna eyeball the Fox Farm. Some people say it's worth it to measure it out. Some people say it's not. I just put a little bit in there. I mean, there's plenty of fuel. There's not a lot of plant that's gonna be in this other than those two romaine lettuce sprouts. So let's give it a go. Just unscrew this real quick. Couple of drops. Perfect. Now we're off to the races. All right, so this is when kind of the fun starts happening. So I like to take this basket and just set it in here. This isn't really a requirement, but for me, it kind of helps me gauge the water level a little bit better. It's easier to kind of grab the plant and not damage the root systems as much as when I move it in and out when I try to refill it with water in the coming weeks. But so here we go. We got our little collars. We got our little sprouts. We can do this. So I'm gonna come in here. You guys can see that. And basically let it, uh-oh, this is embarrassing. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Boom. Look at that. See that? That is phenomenal. And so, since they're just romaine lettuces, I think I can do more than one. So we're gonna give that a try this time. We'll see what happens. This might be a complete fail, but let's see if I can finagle that in there. There we go. Perfect. And you come in here, look at this. You guys ready for this? That nice and tucked in there. Then you'll see when we pull it out, you can see those roots. See if I can get that closer for you guys. Look at those things dangling in there. Amazing. I just put them under the grow light, so you guys should subscribe and come back next week to see how big they get.